Today, I'm going to be showing you how I made over 150 pips in 1 week of trading. I'm going to break down the trading process. I'm going to break down, what this 150 pips means because it depends on the type of lot size that you are using. The 150 pips could easily be $15. It could be $150. It could be $1,500 and so on. But once you can control the pips that you make, trust me, you can control money. So think about the pips and not the money. So first of all, we made this 150 over 150 on two instruments, strictly on the pound USD and also the euro USD. If you look at what we have right in front of us, this is a live chart, by the way, and this is the pound USD. So I'm just going to show you what the thought process was. This is a live chart. You can see the market is still open, right? And of course, today is a Friday, so the market is going to be closing within a few hours. So quickly, this is what we had here, an area of resistance that acted as support, resistance, messed it up here, support, support, and of course our entry was over here after price broke out and then pull back to this area of support. Now, mind you, my trading strategy is strictly price action, support, and resistance. Just in case you are new to the channel, that is what I trade strictly. So we got our entry here and then we took it all the way up. Now, this is the live chart. I want to show you the build up because on the trades that I tend to do screenshots. So when we do screenshots is a way for us to, explain the before, the during, and the after. So you see the thought process. Well, first of all, one thing we always advise is to check the calendar. And we always say, check the calendar to find out the news coming out. This is a screenshot of the calendar that I did. Now, this is the live calendar. And mind you, the calendar is from Forex Factory. So this is the live calendar over here, as you can see. So apart from the calendar, right, I'll show you the trades that we're taking. So this is Euro USD, what we're looking at here, where we said price here, resistance, resistance. You can see a whole bunch of resistance levels. And then price got back to this point here of support. And if you look very well, this also tallies with where we enter the market on this Euro USD. This Euro USD, we made about 70 pips on this. And I'm going to show you as we proceed. So it was Euro USD and also Pound USD that we traded. So this is the Pound USD as well, where our analysis told us this is where we're going to be buying based on support and resistance. So we always try to mark out the key levels where we want to do something. And this is what we had for this GBP USD. Moving forward, you'll see now we got our entry on the Euro USD. And then also we switch the time frame to 4 hours. It's always good to switch time frames to have a bigger picture, especially when you're moving to the higher time frames. Bigger picture with respect to maybe where your take profits will be, and also where you might have some trouble areas that you need to also pay attention to, because you might not necessarily see them on the lower time frame. So this was our entry on the Euro USD, and you can see we had a buy over here at that same level. And of course, the same Euro USD, this is what happened. From that place where we entered, we took our profit here, and that was easy. We made about 70 pips over here on this Euro USD. And then moving on, that was 70 pips, remember, approximately 70 pips on Euro USD in 1 week. And then moving on to Pound USD, we got our entry to at that same place here, and then we took our profit over here. Now, don't forget, price action, support, and resistance is our trading strategy. It's not that difficult as long as you know what you're looking out for. So I'm going to also show you a few other things, because from this trade that we took on the Pound USD and Euro USD, the Pound USD was about, I think, about 80 pips or 90 pips thereabout. I'm going to show you on the live chat as well for confirmation. And then even also, we had another opportunity to enter on this Pound USD. So to show you that we made over 150 pips and we could have even made more. Now, I'm going to switch back to the live charts, right? You can see the live chart, the prices to the left-hand side where we have the market watch is still moving up and down to show you that the market is still active now. So you can see also, excuse me, I see also this was our entry. This was where we got out. So if we use the cross here for measuring, this is where we entered on this pounds USD. So if I move it higher, you can see 32,329. That is 32 pips and 9 pipettes. If I move it to where we took our profits, about here, that is about 696, which is approximately 70 pips. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my throat. Yeah. So that is approximately 70 pips on the pounds USD, 70 pips on the pounds USD. Now moving to the euro USD, right? So from here on the euro USD, where we entered all the way up here, you can see this is about 87 pips thereabout. You can see 876, which is 87 pips and 4 pipettes. So that is about 87 plus 70. So we made more than 150 pips in 1 week. In 1 week. And then also look closely. You would also notice that we have another position running. If you look here, you can see we have a buy running. We've already moved our stop loss to break even, and then we are holding some pips also in profit. The pips we're holding in profit, if we use the crosshair tool again from where we entered here, up here, you can see we have just about 16, 17 pips that we have added to this week. So if you look very well, we made more than 150 pips in 1 week, and you can also do the same thing. But you need to know how and where to look for your entry and also your exit. Because trust me, this trade could as well go back there and then give us maybe another like 60 pips, 70 pips. But I doubt that this week because today is Friday and the market is going to be rounding up. And me personally, I don't like holding trades over the weekend. So even if this is 70 pips or 20 pips, or if peradventure it happens to get to this area here, because I mark this area as a trouble area. So if it gets to this area as resistance, it could probably be around 30 pips or 25 pips or whatever. I'm going to close out here instead of here because I doubt that the market will get here this week, right? So if you want to get to know more, you could always ask a question in the comment section below, or you could even, as a newbie that you might be, or as a struggling trader, you could also go over to our website. We have a website, and that is the school over here. You can go over to the school website and then explore. Of course, you can see the background there, CSA Forex, Common Sense Approach to Forex Trading. Explore number 1 is a free webinar for you to watch. Open demo account. Whenever we have Forex classes, whether weekends or weekdays, it will be updated here and so on. So go over to the school, feed yourself with the right knowledge, and of course, you'll be able to take trades just like we have taken as well. So trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. I don't have 2 heads. You don't have 2 heads. So that means, well, that is a saying that my dad always, said to me, that those are coming, taking first position, second position in class, they don't have 2 heads. What does that mean? That means that if they can do it, I can also do it. I just have to apply myself to it. So you can see also moving forward, this is Euro USD, where we said it's coming back, another fresh entry. You remember earlier, we said we got our entry over here, and then it came out here, we put an arrow showing that it's going to go up. And that is what we are currently, battling with now, because it has gone up. Well, as it went up, don't forget, this is the area that it is battling with. It is yet to break out of this area, right? So you must always know how to analyze the market. I actually had 2 positions on the Euro USD, but it pulled back and it took out 1 position, and it's the lower one that is still, holding as of now. So this is my own trading, and trust me, you can also make 150 pips, if not even more, each week. So I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for joining me. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Have any questions, use the comment section below. And of course, next week, we're going to also give you more updates on what we did, how many pips we made, and then hopefully you can always also make pips with us. So I want to say thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy your weekend and get some rest as well. Thank you guys and goodbye for now. Cheers.